All right, guys, here's part 3 of the disassembly of the Philips Respironics Dreamstar Auto CPAP. As you can see here, I've got this thing put back together, not completely, but I'm really happy to announce that it's working. I'm not sure what exactly got it working again. I'm thinking I took this piece off here and it was connected, and I disconnected that and, took off the board. I brushed it off. Everything looked fine. I mean, there was really nothing wrong with it. There's no physical damage. I was thinking maybe there'd be some water damage. I didn't see any corrosions, anything like that. But took that, put it in there. And yeah, plugged it back in and it's working. I still got to put these 2 screws back into place and the top back on. But yeah, just clip right back onto place. And like I said, it's working, so pretty excited about that. Actually can get some sleep tonight. Oh my gosh, this thing is like, I feel like what do you call it, a diabetic who doesn't have his insulin. Like, this thing is like my lifesaver. Unfortunately, I'm so dependent on it. But that's life. But anyways, glad it's working, really that, and yeah, I'm gonna have a good night's sleep tonight. So it's together, but figured you guys might want to see it, get it working. That's always nice to see something working again. So let me know how your repair's going, and love to talk with you. Have a good one.